Hi, my name is Guerhan. I am the CEO of a company of 52 years in the business. We have 19 locations on the northern state of Chihuahua. We are on the finishing products of construction, mainly ceramic tile, veneer stone, bathroom fixtures. We have been doing for 25 years quality control in our stores, and we had another platform, but we needed a change. We needed to improve, and at the end, Forms on Fire was the best fit for us. What we needed to improve was that with the other platform, we needed a lot of outside works, and we needed to do it by ourselves. Forms on Fire gave us that possibility, and we are now doing all our audits in the stores and in departments in the platform. At the end, the deciding factors between the two options, one was the near presence of the people involved in Forms on Fire. They were very close. The help that we received, we also used the chat and the help in Spanish, and we got our answers in Spanish. And at the end, the other main factor was this possibility to make some changes to make it more personal. The system, we are envisioning many things that we could do with the platform besides what we were already doing with the other platform with Forms on Fire. Right now, we are using the platform for our internal checklist of operation and administrative issues that have to be checked daily, weekly, or monthly. With the possibilities of Forms on Fire, we have created our own task inside the platform. So everything that you can review in a process of one daily checklist or weekly can generate one or multiple tasks to different persons. So that has been a boom for us because before that we needed to do a lot of manual controls, and this has been one of the biggest improvements. Time-wise, it's amazing, and cost-wise, it's better. Work with Forms on Fire really is great. Really, the cost benefit is big and huge if you use it right. And you're going to have fun on the process if you like systems, and if you like a system that can give you better control, better opportunities, managing of tasks. This is the solution for you.